In this video, I'm going to show you how to repost on TikTok. First thing you need to do is open the TikTok app on your phone if you've not done so already. Wait till the videos load, and let's just say, for example, I'm going to choose this one. So what you need to do is on the right, look for the arrow pointing to the right. That's just above what you can see on screen, the microphone muted icon. Tap it. Now, what you have to do is tap repost. This is the yellow icon on the left. And there you go. You've got your profile icon saying you have reposted it. That's just a message to say that. So if you go back to your profile icon, tap that, it's not there. So where is it? Look for the third icon in the middle and you'll see the repost icon. Tap it. And there you are. Here is all your reposts. And it gives you the date from when it was, from now, 2 minutes ago, to 14 hours, to whenever it was you reposted something. And let's just say you've decided, nah, I don't want to repost this anymore. Tap the video again. Repeat the process of tapping the arrow pointing to the right. And again, tap the yellow icon. This time it says delete repost. And there you go. The notification saying you have deleted the repost. And there we are, back to only 3. And that's how you repost on TikTok. A bit of an obscure feature on TikTok, but a requested video. If you found this video helpful, could you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and maybe even turn on the notification bell when a new video is live on this platform. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.